Dear educarians, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. My dear students, today I am here with you with the 8th lesson of science from unit number 9, Earth. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to solve some brain teasers. They also will be able to solve some different exercise questions. Now hold your pencils and keep your science textbooks and notebooks with you. Today's task. Today we are going to solve the pages 75, 76, 77. So write down today's task, day and date on these 3 pages. Now let's start our today's lesson. Now open your textbooks on page number 75. The first part is words to learn. The first word is quarter, 1/4 of a whole. किसी भी चीज का चौथाई हिस्सा. That is called quarter. Number 2 is axis, line around which the earth rotates. The point or the line on which the earth rotates or spins, that point or line is called axis. You know that the earth rotates around its axis. Next is brain teaser. Find the statement using the numbered letters. Students, you can see in the boxes, all the letters are numbered from 1 to 26. Downside, they have jumbled the words. We have to write the correct letter according to these given numbers. The first number is 1. So, at 1 there is A. At 17 there is Q. The next one is done for you. The next number is 1. There is A. The next number is 18. There is R. The next number is 20. There is T. At 5 there is E. And at 18 there is R. Now you can see these all letters are making a word quarter. A quarter. The next number is 15. O. At 6 there is F. These two numbers are making a word off. Next one is done for you. At 8 there is H. At 5 there is E. So this comes the. At 5 there is E. And at 1 there is again A. At 18 there is R. At 20 there is T. And the 8th number is done for you. A quarter of the earth. At 9 there is I. At 19 there is ES. So this makes is. At 12 there is L. At 1 again there is A. The next one is done for you. And the next number they have written 9. This is wrong. Okay. So you have to cross 9 and write here 4. If in your books they have already written 4, don't cross 4. But if you have 9 there, cross 9 and write 4. And you can see at 4 there is D. So these numbers make a word land, L-A-N-D. Understand? So now you can see we have completed all the letters against the given numbers and we have made a complete sentence. A quarter of the earth is land. Understand? A quarter of the earth is land. So this was your brain teaser. Now let's move next. Next is the concept map. We have studied about earth in this chapter, right? We have studied that the shape of the earth is like a ball. It is round in shape, right? It is the third planet from the sun in the solar system where life is possible. The source of heat and light to earth is sun. Sun is giving heat and light to the earth. When there is sun, that is called the daytime. When there is no sunlight, there is moon and stars, that is called the night time, right? Next, we have studied about the features of the earth. They are showing you two features, one with the blue and one in the brownish shade, that is showing you land. We have studied that 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. For example, oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, these are the examples, and they are showing that the 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. And only 1/4 of the earth is covered with land, for example, mountains and plains. Right? We have studied all this. Next, they are showing you that earth is made up of layers. अर्थ किससे मिलके बनी है? Different layers से. Which layers are these? We have studied them also. The first one is crust. Okay. Outer layer of the earth is crust. That is a hard rocky shell. The next layer below crust is mantle. Mantle is made up of heavy rocks. Then under mantle there lies the outer core. That is made up of hot liquid rocks. Right? And the center of the earth is the inner core. It is the hottest part of the earth and it is made up of solid rocks. So, this was all we have studied in this chapter. And we have summarized all this through the concept map they have given you in the book. So, this was all about the earth that you have studied in unit number 8. So, I hope you have clearly understood. Now, let's move to the next question of exercise. Now on page number 76, exercise, choose the correct answer. First one is the earth gets heat and light from the sun. Number 2 is, which one of the following is a layer around the earth? Yes, water, air, smoke, clouds. There is a layer of air around the earth, right? Third one is, how much of the earth is covered with water? You know very well, 3/4. How much of the earth is made of land? That is 1/4. Last one is the layer of the earth which has many oceans, mountains and continents is the crust. The outermost layer of the earth contains oceans, mountains, continents, and that one layer is crust. Now come on page number 77. Write the difference between day and night in the boxes below. We have to write the difference between day and night in the given boxes. So first of all, we are going to write the differences of day. Write down the first one. At daytime, we have sun in the sky. Number 2 is, the daytime is warm. दिन गर्म होता है. The third one is, daytime is bright. दिन में हमारे पास रोशनी होती है. There is light. The daytime is bright. Now come to the night. Write down the first one. At night, we have moon and stars in the sky. Number 2 is, the night cools down due to absence of the sun. There is no heat at night because of the absence of the sun, so the night cools down. The third one is, night time is dark. The next question is, match the layer of the earth to its description. Here is description and layers of the earth. We have to match them with the proper layer. First one is hard rocky shell around the earth covered with oceans, continents, mountains and islands. That one layer is called crust. Match the first description with crust. Next one is made up of heavy rocks. That is mantle. Next one is made up of hot liquid rocks. This one layer is the outer core. The hottest part made up of solid rock. The inner core. Now open your science notebooks. We have to solve the question answers. First of all, write down the index. Write down today's date. The topic is unit number 9, question answers from page number 76 and 77. On the next page, draw margin line, write today's task and day and date. Next, you will write the topic, unit number 9, question answers, page number 76, recall questions. We are going to solve the question number 2 of exercise on copies. Write down the first question. How many times does the earth turn on its axis in 24 hours? Let's write the answer. The earth turns only once on its axis in 24 hours. जमीन अपना एक चक्कर मुकम्मल करती है in 24 hours. Question number 2 is, how does the earth get heat and light? The answer of this question is, the earth gets heat and light from the sun. Question number 3 is, why do plants and animals need air? Plants and animals need air to breathe. Next question is, list down the 4 layers of the earth. Write down the answer. The 4 layers of earth are, number 1 is crust, number 2 is mantle, number 3 is outer core, number 4 is inner core. Question number 5 is, what causes day and night? The answer is, the turning of the earth on its axis causes day and night. जमीन का अपनी एक्सिस के गिर्द घूमना, that causes day and night. The last question is, name the hottest part of the earth. Do you remember the hottest part of the earth? Yes, the inner core of the earth is the hottest part of the earth. Next is task to do. Students, your task is, you have to solve this activity on page number 78. You have to find and circle all the words that are listed below. Solve this activity, plus you have to learn the exercise of unit number 9. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you soon with the next one. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.